Walking into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, doesn't require getting tangled up in daunting technical details. It was founded back in 1956 and has led to vast evolutions, compelling stories, and complex functionalities that you can explore with the help of search engines or actually directly asking AI itself to educate you. But let's focus on what really matters for your business. Understanding how AI functions can fundamentally change how you approach business operations. AI systems are like extremely adept learners, absorbing massive amounts of data to detect patterns and make well-informed decisions. This process involves feeding them a lot of examples relevant to the task they're designed for, allowing them to refine their accuracy and usefulness over time. But let's simplify a couple terms you frequently will probably encounter when thinking about or looking at AI. First, algorithms. You've heard of this, Google has one. But these are the instructions or rules that guide AI's decision-making process. Much like a recipe kind of guides a chef, algorithms guide AI on how to react and decide based on the data ingested. Next up are data sets. These are collections of data that AI systems use to learn and improve. The quality and breadth of these data sets significantly influence how an AI performs. Consider it like the quality of ingredients that a chef uses to prepare the meal. AI's potential is growing exponentially. For instance, there's a website called There's an AI for That. Yeah, you can check it out. There are over 12,000 AI applications as of this recording, and there's probably more now, which vary dramatically in their capabilities, from drafting impactful emails to assisting you in selecting your perfect couch. AI is now being woven into many applications and software that you probably use daily. Notifications from tech giants like Microsoft and Google about their AI tools, Copilot and Gemini, are likely sitting in your inbox. These tools are effortlessly integrating AI into your routine tasks like email writing or document editing. Even popular services like Canva for graphic design and WordPress for website management are embedding AI functionalities to make using them easier and more intuitive. The true power of AI isn't in replacing your expertise, but in augmenting your business operations. Current AI image generation techniques and some AI-directed design tasks are offering mixed results. The results can range from mildly impressive to somewhat unnerving, like picture Raiders of the Lost Ark melting faces. So these tools are making strides. Their highest utility, though, especially in the realm of kitchen and bath design, isn't in the design, but in the business optimization. So here's where AI truly shines. First, in comparison and summarization. Have you ever been overwhelmed by the complex documents like legal papers or trying to decipher multiple insurance quotes? AI can quickly summarize these or highlight the most critical comparisons, saving you hours of poring over fine details. Next up is creation. AI can also de-skill certain creative tasks. It provides a platform for editing images or videos and even drafting initial versions of written content. Keep in mind, the outputs will probably require refinement. They serve as excellent starting points, particularly when resources, like your time and attention, are tight. Next up, learning. AI is your tireless and patient teacher. Whether you're exploring a new software tool or brushing up on market trends, AI can break down and deliver complex information tailored to your pace and learning style. It will never get impatient with your questions or frustrated with your requests to please explain that again. And finally, assistant tasks. Mundane tasks are a poor use of human time and effort. AI excels as a virtual assistant, managing research, performing data conversions, setting reminders, and even organizing schedules. We're just scratching the surface here. Throughout this season, we'll dive deeper into each of these capabilities. We'll look for and provide actionable insights on how you can employ AI, not to just keep your business afloat, but to thrive, allowing you more freedom to focus on your craft, and your personal life. Ready to embrace AI and radically transform your business operations? Let's harness it to ditch working harder and instead work smarter, preserving that craftsmanship that defines your industry and adapting to the digital future that's already here. Are you all in on using AI in your business but need some hands-on expert help? Book 15 minutes with me at fieryeffects.com/chat to get personalized guidance.